Ma? Ay, Habubu. Can you put bandage, please? Habubu. Can you put it properly? Ma, put properly, please. Not like that. Other way. Yeah, cross. Cross. Use two hands, please. Use two hands. See, wow, thank you, Emma.
This one.
Can you kiss Nana Bubu? Can you kiss Nana too? Please. Can you kiss also Nana? Ma, can you kiss Nana also? Kiss Nana here. You wanna put more? Press it. Wow, thank you, Emma. Kiss Nana Bubu again. How many Bubu of Nana?
1, 2, 3.
How many?
1. Do it.
You did good job, Emma. High five. Woo. Thank you, Nana. Thank you, Emma. Thank you, Emma. You are my nurse. Emma's my nurse. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Nana Bubu.